Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I bought a new bag from Farfetch. So yeah, it's not a Chanel bag right now, but I do have one on my wish list, but it's another topic. Okay, I do have reissue on my wish list. Okay, I determined to get that bag. However, before I made any purchase from Chanel, I need to tell you that I bought this bag. I just received the package. I don't know what's going to happen next. Okay, it's totally a true unboxing here right now. So lately, I've been watching so many videos talking about this bag, Demellier London. Okay, and I was like, you know what? I'm so sick and tired of this high prices from this high-end designer bags. How about we try on this bag? Okay, so this one, let me do the unboxing first. So I bought this from Farfetch at the price point of $568, I believe. So if you have a look at this bag, it's in smooth leather. The color is off-white. Hang on, just let me... Yeah, it looks fine. It's a bit like dirt in here. It's not dirt, maybe some dust from the dust bag in here. So yeah, this one is called Vancouver Bag, okay? Which I think that, I don't like the name, to be honest. So it says Demellier London. It looks like Ceiling Box. It looks like Constance. But you don't need to pay 18k or 20 grand for a bag, to be honest. So, but the quality here, let me check. It's a kind of like low-end luxury handbag. So if I open this inside, the tissue paper, I got this at a very great discount. The price was great, so that's why I chose the smooth leather in off-white color. But before that, I was really super into like the mock croc from their website. I personally just thought it was just so beautiful, the color combination and something like that. But I was like, okay, based on that price point, do I really love mock croc that much? I don't know. Okay, so the lining is sustainable cotton, I believe. Like I said, the price was $568, including all import tax duties and delivery fees. The dollar I'm talking about is the Australian dollar. If you have a look inside, I think it's fine right now. So not much occurred to me. Yes, of course, we can't compare this to a Ceiling Box, to a Constance. I mean, compare this like totally, the craftsmanship, the hardware, the finishing and all that compared to those high-end brands. Because I do believe high-end luxury handbags do require extra steps, extra quality controls, okay? Yeah, it's, I think it's an okay bag. I'm not saying wow or something. Yeah, so I love this. I personally am not a big fan of this kind of shape, the boxy shape, because I'm a petite person. That's why I didn't buy Constance, because I think it's I just think it's just too much money for a bag like this. Well, you can just spend a fragment of the price of Constance to buy a similar one and give it a test run. Okay, if you really like this kind of bag, you can always just buy a Ceiling Box and Constance. And by the way, the Ceiling Box, the retail price right now is crazy. It's $5,900 Australian. Of course, this one is the final price, including all the taxes and import duties. However, I still think it's quite a lot of money from Ceiling, to be honest. Yeah, personally, I think this one is okay. So I'm gonna keep this intact. Yeah, the minimal logo. I do have some concerns. I did have some concerns before I purchased this bag. So first, I think this might be a trend. So currently, we're super into, we're super into quiet luxury trend, which I think it's a very hilarious concept. I don't even know where is this concept from. If some days I wear something that is really nice, for example, from Christian Dior, but without any logos, I dress like that because I need to go to a conference with my boss. I don't want to be flashy. Okay? Are you going to say that I'm very into quiet luxury? Or on weekends, I go to a bar with my friends or go to a pub with my friends. I like carrying my Chanel bags. I like wearing something that have some logos on it. Are you going to say I'm very into loud luxury? So personally, when I'm saying the quiet luxury, this word, I feel like I'm a wanker. So don't get me wrong, I just don't like this concept. I don't even know where is this from. Okay, so this one is a side topic. Yeah. So I was worried that I've fallen into this quiet luxury trend because there are so many videos talking about this bag and everyone was like, oh, this bag is so amazing. I got this in smooth leather, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so just like Dior saddlebag a few years ago, do you remember that? So everyone was talking about Dior saddlebag and all of a sudden to some point where no one was talking about that anymore, as if it never existed. So I was like, I was worried that I bought something because I've been hyped, okay? So the second one is about, the second concern of me was about the quality and longevity issues. So first, I know this one is not a high-end bag. This one is not Constance. I certainly don't have too many expectations from this bag. However, I do need my hardware be like, not cheap. I don't like my hardwares to get scratched up. I don't like cheap-looking hardware at all. So I don't know about this one. So far, so good. I can say that, but of course, it's not great. Okay, my honest opinion, the hardware is not great, which is exactly like what I worried about. Okay, the quality, what about the hardware? Okay, and let's have a look at the smooth leather here. Yeah, the smooth leather is good. So, smooth leather, it doesn't have a pocket on the back. So, the bag, the quality itself, I gave it, should I say, I gave it 3.5 out of 5 stars, okay? 3.5 out of 5 stars, just simply because it's good, but it's not great, okay? Yeah, so I worried about their quality and longevity. In terms of longevity, I was worried that, what if I don't like this bag anymore in the next few weeks and the resale price is not good, okay? So if you go to Vestiaire Collective, you can find a bunch of brand new Demellier bags, this bag in particular, around $300 to $400 Australian if you do negotiate, okay? Well, yeah, this one is a good bag, but it's certainly not a great bag, okay? But we need to know that this one is around $568 Australian after the coupon. Even you go to their website, you can get 10% off for your first order, which I think is amazing. So I can't complain too much about their quality. So, but given the price point, I can't have it all at the end of the day, right? So, yeah. So my third concern is that, what is my third concern? Yeah, so my third concern is that I was trepidatious, about what if I don't like this bag when I see it. I'm so lazy to return it. I'm the kind of person who gets what was sent from the website or whatever. As long as there is no major issue, there is no defect, I would be happy to accept the bag. So I think the main reason I got this bag is because the price point is good. Okay, and sometimes I don't feel like carrying my Chanel bags because I really pamper them. I love them, I pamper them, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you, Chanel bags are my favorite, okay? So with this bag, no one knows about this, and the capacity is good. Also, it provides lifetime repair service, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, I just go with this. Yeah, there were 3 concerns before I made the purchase. Well, to be honest, so on the whole, I'm going to give this bag 4 out of 5, okay, based on all those facts. So, but this bag itself, in terms of quality, including the hardware and the design and the strap and the feeling, when I touch this, the feeling, I'm going to give it 3.5 out of 5. And I'm going to give the logistic 5 out of 5 stars. It was pretty fast to Australia. So, yeah, let's see what's else in here. What else? Yeah, this one is Mulberry, I reckon. Yeah, so before that, I was like really into like Mulberry for a while, so maybe I think I was hyped by a little bit. However, I didn't think it was for me. Okay, I didn't think it was for me, and I'm gonna give this a test run, right? So normally I'm not into this boxy shape because it's simply just too big. and I'm a petite person. I am 5'4", around 162 or 163 centimeters tall. And I am very, like, I'm not really thin, but I'm around 45 to 47-ish kilograms, right? So yeah, let's see how this bag sits on me. Well, actually, the strap is pretty stiff, so I've already got this when I'm adjusting this, you know. Well. So, yeah. I was so obsessed with the mock croc effect. I'm going to insert some footage here so you can see. The mock croc, the price on their website is $740 Australian. So even though you can get some discount, it still is a lot of money for a brand that I'm not familiar with. Okay? Yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to return this. Jesus. So luckily I didn't buy that. The reason I chose this one in smooth leather is because the main reason for this is because the price point is very great. And the second, I was like, what if, you know, I actually don't like the mock croc because it's kind of like the matte finishing in person. I was like, okay, right now I'm so obsessed this item online. What if I don't like that in person? You know what I mean? I would be very, very, very disappointed. Yeah, that's why I chose this one. Jesus. I don't know. Just so many people talking this up. Am I following a trend right now or what? I don't like that trend. Personally, I think it makes me sound like a wanker, like I said before. I don't like that concept. I just want something that I can, you know, I don't need to pamper. I can just abuse this bag, you know. I don't know. I will keep you updated. Look at this. So it's like here. Yeah, you definitely can't compare the quality and craftsmanship of this bag to something high-end, even Chanel, okay? I tell you what, even though so many people were whinging about the qualities, blah, 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 which I believe is true, but personally, I haven't encountered any quality issues from Chanel just yet. But I can tell you that they are definitely at different levels, all right? Different levels, definitely. The stitchings are good. Yeah, I just think the hardware could have been better. Yeah, to be honest, personally, I'm not the biggest fan of this hardware, to be honest. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.